In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list view in a Notion database. If you want a cleaner and simpler way to look at your database items, list view is a great option. It removes extra visual clutter and lets you focus on the most important information in an easy to scan format. This is especially useful when you're working with tasks, notes, projects, or any database that doesn't need a board, calendar, or table layout. To get started, open the Notion database you want to organize. Make sure you're inside the database itself because the view settings you need are located at the top of that database panel. Once you have it open, go to the View menu at the top. This is where Notion lets you switch between different ways of displaying the same data. From that menu, choose Add a View. This creates a new layout without changing or deleting your existing one, which is helpful if you want to keep multiple ways of viewing the same database. After that, select List View from the available options. This tells Notion that you want your content displayed as a straightforward vertical list. Next, give the new list view a name based on what you want it to show. Try to choose a name that makes the purpose of the view obvious at a glance. For example, you might name it something based on status, priority, or the type of content you want to focus on. A clear name makes it much easier to switch between views later, especially if your database has several different layouts. Once the view has been created, choose which properties should appear in the list. This step is important because list view works best when it only shows the details you actually need. If too many properties are visible, the list can start to feel crowded. Focus on the most relevant information so the layout stays clean and easy to read. If needed, add filters or sorting. Filters help you narrow down which items appear in the list, while sorting helps you control the order they show up in. For example, you might sort by due date or filter to only show active items. These adjustments can make the view much more practical for day-to-day use. Once everything is set up, use List View to see your items in a clean and simple format. It's a great way to make your database feel more organized, more focused, and easier to work with.